Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Allah. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do make sure that you share this video. So the Meyiwa ancestors are definitely fighting in their graves. This is according to Sangoma Matebula. The Mamelodi based Sangoma shared his spiritual views on the killing of Orlando Pirates and Bafana Bafana goalkeeper Senzo Meyiwa. You guys, Senzo Meyiwa was killed while visiting his then girlfriend, popular singer Kelly Khumalo, at her home in Fort Lores, Ekurhuleni on the evening of October the 26th, 2014. He was in the presence of Kelly, her sister Zandile Gumede, their mom Gladness Khumalo, Zandile's then boyfriend Ulonge Twala, and Meyiwa's close friends Dumelo Madlala and Tongosisi Twala, along with two minors. 5 men were arrested for his murder and are now on trial, which has been ongoing since 2022. Now speaking to Daily Sun, Sangoma Matebula said the case is a mess because the real killer is still out there roaming the streets. He further said the matter will drag on because the person who killed Senzo Meyiwa is refusing to confess. The Meyiwa, including Senzo, are not resting. They're fighting for justice, and those responsible for his death, their days are already numbered if they do not confess. I can see they are suffering in their lives. Nothing is definitely going well for them, he said. Sangoma Matebula said that he doesn't see the trial ending anytime soon, and even when it does, it will not produce the result that people are expecting. He said that sooner the real perpetrators would be known, but they wouldn't be arrested, as this is how the US ancestors wanted it to be so they could deal with them. She won't admit it, but her sins have caught up with her, including the 2 gentlemen that I see were helping her. Now, the traditional healer urged Meyiwa's girlfriend at the time to tell the truth about what happened that night or risk losing everything. Apostle and Prophet Beki Twala from Eswatini said that although he doesn't want to delve deeper into the merits of the case, he does see that everyone who had a hand in Meyiwa's killing is suffering. Killing a person is not an easy thing to do. Life will not be the same, especially if they refuse to confess their sins. They may not be arrested physically, but spiritually they are in prison. The spirit of the person they have killed will not then be at peace, he said. Well, there you have it, you guys. What are your thoughts? Please do engage them with me in the comment section, and of course do not forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so, and also make sure that you share this video so that you do not miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much for clicking and deciding on watching this one. I will definitely and surely be seeing you in the next video, and may God just bless you all. Bye.